Hey guys, welcome to Finally Tech, and today we will discuss very important but very easy things you all must be knowing, but there is one point which many person do not know, right? So you must be heard about the find function, right? This find function, yes. So what does find function do? Find function find the number, right? The position, right? So let's write it. Find function finds the position of a character within a text. Okay, so what does find function do? Find function finds the position of a character, right? Suppose let's understand it by the number, right? If we write function, right? So let's say find function find and find text. What I want to do, I want to find C within the text, this one, and press 1, and then so C is at the fourth place. So if you start counting from F, 1, 2, 3 and 4 place, C is available at 4 place. So the position of C in this text is 4, right? This is the work of find function. Now if you see the formula, right? So if you see the formula, there are two or three things, right? The first is find text, very simple. What we want to find, sir, that is the C. Okay, this is very understood. Now the second is within text. Within which text we want to find this C? Very clear, the function is the text, so we will select the A5. Okay, very clear. Now coming to this point, start num. What is start num? What is the meaning of start num? So every time we do one, and then we have just looks like we have fixed the number as we will start from one and then close the parenthesis, then press enter, right? It is working fine, but let's see. I want to see this example. I want to find the position of n. Okay, right. Now the question will arise, which n position we want to find, because there are two n in this function. The first it has 3 place and second is the last of word, right? So which n we want to find? Here you need to consider the start num, right? So we want to find text n from A5 till here, it is okay, but when we need to put the start num, we need to think, right? So here we will ask the question that which n position we want to find. So suppose we want to find the first n position, which is number 3, right? So we will press 1, then 3 is available, this is right. This is for the first n position, right? Now we want to find second n position. What we will do, right? If we want to find second n position, first let's copy this formula, paste this formula, right? It is showing value, no problem, we will write this formula. So find, we want to find text n within the text this one, and then start num. So what should be the start num for this? What is the question? We want to find the second n position, which is the last of the function word, right? So how will we find this function? So we will put the number more than 3. 3 is the number of first n. Now if we want to find the second n, then we will put the number greater than the first n, right? So first n was at third place, so we will put here 4. So once we put 4, so what the system will do, system will ignore the first 3, and from the 4 system will start searching it, right? So if the system starts searching from the first number, then it will find n and it will show the result. It will don't go after 3, right? But if we want to find the position of second n, or maybe third n, or maybe another n, right? If there are multiple same character are existing in a word, then in that case we will have to put the number greater than the first one, right? So So here the first n is at third place. We want to find the second n position, so we will put the number more than 3. So more than 3 is 4, right? So we will put 4 and then press enter. It is at 8th place, right? So it is at the last place. So we can find the length of the, we can verify it, right? We can verify it by finding the length of the function word. So the length of the function word should be 8, and let's see, length function, and then text should be this one, close the parenthesis, enter 8. So 8 is the length of function, which means n is the last position, and here in this formula also n is at the last position, which is n, which is 8th position, right? So second n position is 8. So this is how, this is the use of, this is the use of this start num in any text. So if we have more than one, more than 2n, suppose tp and n, again n, right? So number is 11, right? Number is 11, total number is 11, which means total number is 11, which means the third n should be at the 11th place, right? So for the third n, we will again do the find formula, then find text, again we will say n, we will find again n, then within text, this is the within text, and then a start term. The start term should be, this is for the last n, the start term should be more than 8, that is 9. Okay, we will close the parenthesis and enter 11. So this is how, this is third n position, right? So this is the third n position. So this is how we can calculate or find the position of any character in the, in any text, within any text, right? So this was for today, and if you like this video, if it is a little informative for you, please like the video and please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.